Hello, hello. Research pedagogical practice. Importance of technological tools as teaching support. UNAD Kids in Bill. Nubia Marcela Duarte Duarte. My name is Nubia Marcela Duarte Duarte. I belong to Liley, licenciatura en lenguas extranjeras con énfasis en inglés. I did my internship with the Inbuilt Kids strategy with levels A1, A2, B1 and B2. My tutors, the practice, Daniel Moreno Reina. Continue. Your research proposal. Importance of technological tools as teaching support. General objectives. Describe how digital tools contribute to didactic support in the teaching and learning process of students of the inbuilt kids strategy. The objectives specific now the most efficient technological tools for student learning of the inbuilt kids strategy. Identify the technological tools for student learning of the inbuilt kids strategy. Analyze the results when we do not use technological tools in the students of the inbuilt kids strategy. Lirocho review first topics, didactic strategies. Second topics, what are the best learning technology tools to enhance students? Third topics, tool for teaching English to students. In fourth topics, how they integrate technology in the classroom. The main practice pedagogical practice are the very useful and often great benefits since they allows use to acquire skills in terms of how to reach students. Also helps to identify age of their difficulties and be able to help solve barriers. These barriers that prevents them from acquiring a much more enriching learning. My population with once I carried out my in shop was the inbuilt kids strategy. Working with children is very important because they allow you to be yourself. They learn from you and you from them. Here, the technological tools provides countless advantages since they allow use to reach children with more dynamic and much more created tools where students learn in an easier way. Continue. The conclusions. Thanks to my practice, I was able to understand that technological allows use to include a large numbers of students who in one way or another cannot do it in person. That technologies around these tools facilitate learning, make use in continuous learning. For example, I chose was sick and could not attend the class, but the class was recorded and they was able to access it, acquired the knowledge um, and was able to watch the explanation to ask the topics. It is for this reason and much more that technology opens doors for use and allows use to cross barriers, facilitates the education. Thank you. Bye bye.